Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. I welcome you all for this amazing video. Today, I brought some amazing gadgets, so, without wasting any time, let's get started. I am Dev. You are seeing Technical Dev channel. Number 1. vizux Blade Smart Glasses. Staying tuned with current digital life without touching your smartphone or laptop is not so easy, but the American company vizux made this possible. The glasses that I am showing you can function all essential functions that is done by a smartphone. Using these glasses you will not get distracted due to your smartphone. And also you can lift the call, listen to music, and also can capture the photos you want. The inbuilt microphone and noise cancelling helps us listen music perfectly and clearly. The controls are simple. You just need to tap the touchpad and switch what you want. All the personal notifications and important news are displayed on the glasses. So, using this you are always connected to our latest digital world. If you want to buy this amazing gadget, link in the description. Number 2. ProLab Mouse. If we look at this gadget, it is the smallest controlling gadget, which weighs about 8 grams. This gadget helps us to control our smart devices at our fingertips. Using Bluetooth technology, ProLab Mouse instantly connect to most of the laptops, tablets, smartphones and more. This gadget also allows us control music, videos, web navigation and many more with our fingertips. This gadget contains 3 modes. The first mode, which is called as Air Mouse mode. The second mode called as Media mode. In this mode you can control the media. And the third mode called as Keyboard mode. The exclusive keyboard mode functions like arrow and enter keys of your laptop. This gives you single finger control over presentations, videos, documents, and more. Browse files with zero effort or navigate movies from across the room. It couldn't be easier. The ProLab mouse functions like an ordinary mouse, and puts an end to the search for mousepads and flat surfaces. It also helps us to control laptop within 10 meters range. If you like this gadget, link in the description. Number 3. Walkcar. Guys, as the technology is improving, our lifestyle also changing drastically. In our life, transportation plays a major role to move from one place to other. But all of us once faced the problem of waiting for a taxi. To fix this problem I brought a gadget. By looking at you will be amazed. If we look at this gadget, the size of this gadget is equal to the size of a laptop. And also the weight is very less, which helps us to carry this gadget easy and comfortably. It has thickness about 3.3 mm. Since it is in the size of laptop you can carry this in your backpack. If we look at the frame of this gadget, it is 10 times stronger than iron and 1/4 times lighter. The controlling system is very easy. You just simply stand on the top and bend which direction you want to move. It moves using the center of gravity of the person standing on it. This gadget have fast charging capacity, which is fully charged in an hour. So, it is also an environmental friendly gadget because it does not use any fuel to work. If you like this amazing gadget, link in the description. Number 4. Xenxo S Ring. It is the smallest mini gadget that replaces 6 accessories that we use daily. Since it is ring-like structure, you just simply keep that ring to your finger and you are done. You can answer your phone calls without taking your phone from your pocket. It uses the Bluetooth technology that ranges around 10 meters, which helps to control your smart devices easily. The gadget can also cancel the noise using noise cancelling capacity, which helps our conversations smooth even in a crowded place. The gadget comes with inbuilt microphones, earpiece and also have ultra-lower power microcontroller which made the gadget simple and advanced. It also have capacity to hold the confidential files from your computer. Transferring files becomes easy, and also safety of your file remains in your fingertips. It has auto-moded alarm system which reminds you to pick the phone when you are moving away from it. This gadget also have Google Assistant support, which helps to reach your phone with your commands. If you want to buy this mini gadget, link in the description. Number 5. Focals by North. Guys, generally we use traditional glasses for our eyesight. The spy glasses in the market don't have the good traditional and simple look. But the glasses made by Focals by North look traditional and stylish, and replaces all the spy glasses that are in the market. This gadget available in different shapes and different colors. Controlling these glasses are quite simple, because along with this you will get a ring controller which contains a joystick. Using this you can control the glasses very simple. This gadget almost replaces your smartphone. It also contains web navigation facility which helps us to connect to our destiny. Personal notification and news are displayed on the glasses. You can listen to pleasant music using this gadget. If you want to buy this gadget, link in the description. If you like the video, please like it and comment your favorite gadget in the comment section. If you want to get updates of latest gadgets and latest technology, subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon, because when I upload video in the future you will be notified. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.